Hi, boys and girls. I know you can't see my face in this, and I'm not really sure why. But today we're actually going to read words with short O, and I want you to do this video a couple of times to really practice. The first thing we're going to do is read our high frequency words. This word is do. Spell it with me. D-O, do. Find. F-I-N-D, find. Funny. F-U-N-N-Y, funny. Sing, S-I-N-G, sing. Know, N-O, know. They, T-H-E-Y, they. This is short O. It says ah, 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 like ostrich. Let's read these words by sounding out every letter. We always call this tapping and blending or stretching and sliding. And then we read the whole word. Let's read line 1. Read with this arrow. Number 1. Ox, fox. Og, log. Ox, ox. At, lot. On. Row 2. Ix, fix. Ax, sax. Lid, lid. Og, bog. Pot, pot. Row 3. Ax, tax. Is, his. Rim, rim. Gap, gap. Hot, hot. Now let's read these the fast way. Ready? Fox, log, ox, lot. On, fix. Sax, lid. Bog, pot. Tax, his. Rim, gap, hot. Now what you can do is look at these two sentences on the bottom. They have sight words. These are words to know. This is I, and this is a. This is play, and this is the. Let's read the sentence. I, at, sat, on, a, log, log. I sat on a log. Let's sound this one out. G, ab, gab. K, an, can. Play, the. Ax, sax. Let's read it the fast way. Gab, can, play, the, sax. What we do when we read sentences like we will in our story to follow is we sound out the word and then we read it the fast way. So now what we're going to do is we're going to read a story called Max, Fox, and Lon, Ox by David McCoy, illustrated by Kristen Sora. I'm going to read this the fast way, but I want you to pause the video and sound these words out. So sound it out. I will do the first page, just like I want you to read the book if you don't know how to read the whole word. Ax, max. Ox, fox. Is, ix, six. Now, that's the slow way to read. So if we sound it out, then we go back and read it. Max, fox, is 6. Lon, ox, is not 6. Sad Lon sits and sits. Oh, he's so sad. That is sad, Lon. Max got a big box. It is a big, big box. What is in it? Sad Lana's so sad because he's not 6 and it's not his birthday. It is a sax. Max plays. Bip, bop. Bip, bop, bop, bop. Can Lon Ox play? No. What can Lon Ox do? Lon Ox can sing. Oh, he's happy now. Good job, friends. Now, I would like you to go back to the beginning and sound out every single word and pause my video to do that, and then unpause it, press play again to check your reading. And I want you to watch this video 2 times. Thank you so much for listening and enjoy.